Going for like a hosting type thing. I kind of forgot to start this vlog. I've been ready since like 2:45 and it's currently like 4:15 and I'm just leaving the house now. I gotta drive like 45 minutes to Larnaca. Looks like it's about to rain. Okay, this people just passed twice. Okay, no they didn't. I'm so paranoid, y'all, like genuinely. I'm waiting for the guy who's supposed to pick me up, so. Or is it the guy who passed twice? Okay, I'm just gonna go upstairs because I'm not about to get rest.
Tell me what you see in me.
So yeah, we've arrived. Wait, this makeup has been on for 3 hours at this point. It's already 6.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right around the rough play, right around them talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body feels that. We'll never fall out of love with you.
Hi guys. Yeah.
Is this a new phone?
It is.
Oh my gosh, let me see. What phone is this?
It's 12 Pro.
Virgo sent it. How did she ship it?
With Ajiri.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hi guys, I'm so excited.
So we're going to the beach, we're going to Napa. There's everyone from the church. Della, Martins.
The fan.
Are you checking yourself out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to.
Whoa. Model that villain. We're going home. It's the vibe. Yeah. My love. So yeah, we're off. So hard. Another day, y'all. Today is Monday and I'm going for a shoot in Larnaca. Very last minute, so yeah. You guys with me. They literally just called me right now. And I'm like, oh, we need you for a shoot. Come over to Larnaca. It's 45 minutes away. Oh shit, I should have probably taken cash.
I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad.
So currently in the bathroom because I finally have privacy. I'm too like awkward to vlog in front of people, so I'm gonna show you guys clips.
Oh my God! What is that?
Yeah. Have you? This one's pretty big. Yo, she had me messed up. She had me messed up. This is me in the bathroom after the first scene. So she was telling me, the makeup artist that is, not to take off my makeup, that, you know, it looks really good. The fact that everyone there kept saying, oh my god, you look so good, like you're glowing in the sun, trust me, because I was complaining to everybody. I'm like, I did not like this makeup, and everyone was like, trust me, it's just because you're seeing it in real light, and like it's gonna look very good on camera. Oh my god, let me tell you, if you model as a dark skin or as a black woman and you do not take, or as a black person in general, and you don't take makeup with you, be for real. Be for real. I always take my makeup with me, makeup, skincare, everything with me, because things like this happen all the time, y'all, all the time. So yeah, I ran to the bathroom, took off the makeup immediately. Like I couldn't even model properly because I just wasn't feeling myself. I felt ugly. Like I just did not feel pretty in the makeup. Like it's crazy how, you know, it could really affect your confidence, how, you know, the way your makeup looks, because I couldn't even conversate with people because I was just like, is this what they're looking at right now as they speak to me? I was just not feeling it, y'all. I wasn't. So yeah, I had to quickly run to the bathroom and redo my makeup. I had to do this in like 5-10 minutes before the next scene because yeah, I was not going on set with it. with that makeup. I couldn't do it. And I don't even think the makeup artist noticed. Maybe she did, because she was actually talking to me through the bathroom door. It was like, because the makeup room was right outside the bathroom. She was talking to me and she was like, Juliet, don't take up the makeup because we need it for the next scene. We need your makeup to look the exact same. And I'm out here like, yeah, of course. Yeah, no, yeah, it looks so pretty. Thank you. Because she was actually genuinely sweet. She wasn't even a bad person. She was really sweet. And she was like, obviously I want you to feel comfortable and everything. And I told her immediately after she did my makeup, I was like, no, this is not my shade. But she was like, because, you know, we were rushing. I was like the last model to do their makeup. And so she was kind of rushing through my makeup. And yeah, I guess that's probably why it turned out wrong. But I couldn't even trust her to do the final scene. I did the final scene. I did my makeup, my base makeup myself, except for like the eyeshadow in the last part. I let her do that one. But yeah. But yeah. You know, you have to stand up for yourself in these type of situations. And make sure you're very well prepared, because some of these makeup artists will actually try to take the piss. Some of them can be very rude, so you need to make sure that you stand up for yourself and just, you know, take off the makeup if you have to take it off. You know? That's it, y'all. I just could not. I couldn't let her do my makeup. It was trash the first time. I don't know if I even showed you guys, but I changed my makeup a little bit, so can you see that? You shouldn't know that. Here. Hopefully not. So I think my makeup looks much better now. She told me not to change my makeup, but oh, it's a dream. Over here. But yeah, he did the makeup today for me.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little dotty, ain't no life about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Go to the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way, way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake, what else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way, way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Hey, look. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. There's so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? Side and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way.
can't even see it.
It needs flash.
Oh my god. What you coming to no.
Oh, you put it coming in station.
It's so fly right now. Insane. Amazing.
I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flinch, this shit be on accident. Fell in my lap, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot at some point, this shit accurate. Load of the Drake, what else are they gonna play?
Yo, I'm so exhausted at this point. I'm tired.
Shoving this shit in their face. Then I go put that book right in display. They know they don't matter my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre. It's like an ignition notice when we poppin'. Get up, these niggas get moved out their space.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So, see ya. Bye.